Big up all me liar, them with done me money.
No! Did he just say big up all of the liar them with done him money? Hey, so message I go under them singing low key when I need for hearing up people. Well, on them want you. How do you say no, dog?
Big up all me liar, them with done me money. Me have a girl give me million regularly. And I really me gal like somebody gal, but she a fuck with daddy.
What's good, YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. Now I'm back with another reaction video for you guys. Now, yesterday I did the full album review, right? Reaction. Sorry, I don't do reviews. Don't get it twisted. I did the full album reaction. You see me, I said, I wanted to run go over this stuff. Go like up that. You see me, I said, run it up. You see me? It run 1,000 views right now. Probably more than that by the time I post a video. But I wanted to run go over there, go check it out. And then I said, get a like and I'll listen and I'll full watch it all like it. Lit the bum buckle bell. But everybody's saying this is the #1 song on the track. Now this feature, this one is called Jump on the Beat. This song has man like Likkle Vybz, man like Squash. You see me I say, I wanna know about that. You see me I say, but my honest opinion, you see that one where them have Sick Rhymes and Daddy One Pan Presidential. Remember if you don't want a reaction to that one that can we give it tone with proper. You see me I say, now go see what go on for the song and people like the video. The first thing, if you want to click on the video, then people are liking the video. You see me? #1 reaction videos in dancehall, Trinidad and Jamaica and the entire Caribbean. Don't get it twisted. You see me? But anyways, first thing I want to do, people, like the video and comment the fire emoji them from right now. Right now. Now, guess what we're going to do, people? We're going to run tune. Yeah! Yeah! You heard the man step in? A Likkle Vybz, you know? A Vybz Kartel son this, you know? But one of the people, you see them post the album and they get black. Just because for simple facts, I never do it all me normally do my reaction them. But if you please the audience, them, oh, don't subscribe to my channel. You know me? But maybe myself, I think I was talking, right, tune? Like a llama, me get a woman in the spirit, Jesus only water. What? Jump on a beat and beat it like it don't. What? Bro, because I get a woman in the spirit, Jesus holy water. What? Must have a jump on the man do what they be reading people. Yeah. What? Me get a woman in the spirit, Jesus holy water. Hold on. You might go jump on the rhythm and beat it like it out of order. So you're too bad. You're out of order. Why you so bad? I said I'm going to deal with the rhythm, people. Bad man set things, I'm going to deal with the rhythm. Now you could be able to set things. Bad man won't buck up set things, man. You run tune.
Jump on the beat and beat it like it out of order.
Yeah.
Daddy, feed the wall of them boys.
What?
They like down the place like
you hear that? You hear that? You hear that? I'll Kartel tell him I'm going to jump on the rhythm too and I'm going to beat it up like it out of order. The rhythm is too bright. The rhythm is too bad. Go on.
Shed it like a llama. Me get your woman in the spirit. Jesus holy water. She said your cocky should have been both for inshallah.
Ouch. Ouch. The girlfriend that tell Kartel say your cocky should have been 4-inch taller. What? So subtraction, someone do your panty, run tune.
Me never ever kill like what we wanna. But still I never fight, that's why I don't love you. But
hold, run back in at you. What Adi just say? Go on, Adi.
Should have been both for me.
All right now.
Me never ever kill like what we wanna. But still I never fight, that's why.
From Buckley, when they done lighter there? When they done lighter there? Don't mess with the truck. People like out the video. Like out the video. Run tune.
I don't love you. But mood I give you one because you saw your body brag. And mood I get a million, you're something fat no right.
Oh, gosh, me I go better 1 million too. Because if she tell you see her boyfriend something for be run 4-inch, imagine. Just imagine, take a wild guess and say, fat pump. Run tune!
Be my like club, I am platinum class. Christian say,
I got world, you are not the boss.
Me say, chat to know what chat, God love me from a bar.
Chat them a chat. God love all away. But you don't call himself the world boss. Anyway, yeah. No, it's you married to that song by itself. I feel the vibes different than when I do the full album yesterday in a dog. It didn't even feel like I forgot to the whole of them singles. Let me see it. See, that's the full album then, Tyrekevlogs, you know. Vybz Kartel of Dance and Divas. album reaction. Yo, go check out the video. Run tune.
Never blaspheme. Look how much time I close hands blaspheme.
Yeah. That's the part yesterday. Brother, look how much time eyes closed, hands blaspheme. Bumbugly. You see the man is. You see what I pray and I pray me in the dog. Yo, I the body the dog. Bumbugly dog. Go on.
Heal blind, make wine, save four raise dead, rise and reunite.
Jump on the beat and beat like a clad dog. Yo, what the fire emoji them the people? More want to see the fire. My lighter now working, so more see the fire emoji them in the comment section. The lighter now working up people. So want to see the fire emoji them in the comment section. See if that's song about. Yo, run, tune, cop the merch. Clad don't run tune.
Daddy feed the bullet and boy. We love down the place at prison shell it like a llama. Me get it.
Go through the song still when I want to hear the chorus again.
And beat it like it. Them like a trailer, crush them like a tractor.
Hold on there. No, you have a man like squash step in that thing. Hold on there. Wipe on the thing argument. Run back. Squash.
Like a trailer, crush them like a tractor.
Yeah.
Likkle baby, them give them one plus the lacta.
Yeah.
Like a broke up on the bone, them can go chiropractor.
You hear them lyrics here, squash I put 4 to the ears. You see me, I say, your ears probably say so that bleed and I run. You see me? Them lyrics say, whoa! Them lyrics say make you sick. Them lyrics say they care for coronavirus. I that man tell you right now. Run tune!
You want to gamble with your life like a Vegas Nevada.
What?
And the 6 tell them so we build some crazy man.
You know the man over Vegas Nevada? Them man is like gamble with them hold them money in a dog. So all them life now put on the line. And let them man say if you want gamble with a life like a bumbleclot. Yo, run tune!
From Sri Lanka, bad man, she loves so she get the gangster. Chop her like me banger, make she bend up like a camera, make she stammer.
Bumbleclot! The man say chop her like a banger, make she bend up like a camera. Bumbleclot! Dog, if the song is bad. If the song bad one more time, people also want to see the fire emoji them, dog. The fire emoji them in the comment section, dog. Don't put me in a jet the fire emoji right now in the youth. I'm shoot you in the youth. And you me at the girl. You jet the fire emoji them. Yo, bumbleclot! Run tune!
Electrical bomb a ring spanner. Girl want back shot, so me grab her now here and then me fuck that. Put her on
Hold on, girl want back shot, saying go do what? Hold on, squash bass. Run tune!
She called from a ring spanner. Girl want back shot, so me grab her now here and then me fuck that.
Oh gosh! We need some hand sanitizer. She said she want the backy shotty. So man grab her in her ear and guess what do after that? Guess what the man do after that? Guess what the man say do after that, people? Bumbleclot! The man said knock that! Run tune!
Better than me fuck her on her head up. Girl a pussy clean, get her smell like a dead rat. So me push it in, and that's why you wanna take
You know what them girls when they take off the bingo and you smell? Whoa! No sir! You know, say, you know, Jamaica, when they think we're going to close to the sun, when they take off the bingo, you smell, you say, oh, no. Big up yourself and go home door. You hear me, I say, run tune.
17 fill up, me know she got me head back. She a go hold it out, even if me drop a cell black. Me Mexican and girl full of money.
I go hold it out, even if him drop a cell black. Yo, if the song is bad one more time, what me say I want to see in the comment section, people? What me say I want to see? I want to see the fire emoji. Them people, you see me I say? Probably copyright, yeah dog, they really get black and be a thing dog. You see me, that's why I do that one right now. Run tune!
Because she sell crack, me say 14 a polo shirt, white t-shirt and me fake that. Jump on the beat and beat it like it out.
Nah, like it's Likkle Vybz. Brother, man, if you write that chorus to yourself or Hadi write it or who shone on the butt. Brother, listen to the man, listen to this people, let's listen to that part.
Daddy feed the bullet and boy.
Yeah.
We love down the place at prison shell it like a lamb.
Yeah.
Me get a woman in the spirit, Jesus holy water.
Bad. Fire dog. For this song start, hear the instrumental, hear that from the instrumental dog. No problem, we beat it like it out hard. But clad dog, the song done shot already if you hear that in the dog. Just when you hear the start of the song dog.
Jump on a beat and beat it like it out hard.
Beat and beat it like me dick me coming. Big up all me liar, them with done me money.
No! Did he just say big up all of the liar them with done him money? Hey, so message I go under them singing low key when I need for hearing up people. Well on them want you, what do you say now dog?
Big up all me liar, them with done me money. Me have a girl wey give me million regularly. And I really me gal like somebody gal, but she a fuck with daddy. She's
Bumbleclot. The dog say big up all of the liar them with done him money. Is it you? Is it you? You're not easy blood clot boy, you know. You're trouble. You're trouble. You're trouble. Trouble. That's why you have a buzz. Run through.
Send the pussy picture with the dildo in a it. Them one who home style so bad me tell them rum in a it.
Bumbo clap! I want no for real. I want no for real. I want to get rubbing in that style. Man say, yo, again people. If the song bad, what? Hey, look at. So now watch Tyrekevlogs video them. You're not supposed to have no one comment in the comment section, you know. Because guess why? Me don't post one video a day. So me know why you don't want comment in the comment section. You understand me? I try to say I post numerous videos this if you have numerous comments in my comment section. Them. Someone wants to see the fire emoji them again. Run the fire emoji them right now. Just run them. Run them. You see me and like the video and subscribe and subscribe. That's how we take over the whole Caribbean. The whole Caribbean I get the energy here. Run tune.
I mean, full of gold and green leprechaun. January 7, me a Capricorn.
January 7, me a Capricorn. So never say January you're born. You know, when it comes to your birthday, everybody know your birthday and that. But me never know. Think about it, you never know that. But anyways, run tune.
Yeah, see the storm, see when I laugh. Bag a girl a feel bring it on.
Where's the chance now? Pick up chance now while I can see when I laugh. Go on. Me never see the full song when I do the album. So go on.
Yeah, see the storm, see when I laugh. Bag a girl a feel bring it on. Me gone up in your belly, baby, you feel bad.
Oh. The man say, God, up in your belly, baby girl. Up in your stomach. Up in your stomach. Guess what she said? God man in she, oh, she like that. Hey, Russian boss in your hole, you like that. Me have a woman, they must say mad. They want she bird of me. Run tune.
Feeding myself, couldn't be my bread.
Look what I said now.
I feel be a teacher.
Jump on him, man. Well, and the more you jump on him, I be like it out of heart. I told her that I didn't deal with it. I miss all the lyrics to the blood clue because I want you too much. I think look on the cover work, yeah. Man, I want the Muslim thing there. Yo, run through, make your print on it right now. Run through.
I feel be a teacher. I feel be myself, couldn't be my brother.
Straight.
I feel be a teacher.
I feel be yourself. You could be my brother. Yo, if you never be yourself, that you know if you have them bad singing festival right now, that because them singing are bad. Them singing are kick out teeth. You do me I say? Run the rest of the tune though.
Jump on a beat and beat it like
oh, that. Yeah.
Addy, daddy, feed the boy. The prison shell it like a lamb. The prison shell it like a lamb.
What do you think? Which of them want presidential next? That's why I know what's running for job next, no man, and get the word one time, no man, slowly but surely, gonna get it, you know. Reaction boss growing every single day, you know. Right now, I want to subscribe to the channel, and if you're not subscribed yet, I'm not ramp with your blood clot, I can't if you're not subscribe. Subscribe to my channel right now, you know. I need to stop cursing them video, because I don't know, so I want to accumulate some. You didn't want to? You didn't want to? We're out of here.